Mesothelioma settlements and verdicts. For over 40 years, Sokolov law has helped victims of asbestos-related diseases pursue justice through mesothelioma settlements and verdicts. As of May 2023, we've recovered over $4.7 billion nationwide. Average settlements for mesothelioma range from $1 million to $1.4 million. You may be able to start receiving money from a mesothelioma settlement in as few as 90 days. Call 512-7613 now to get started. Jump to a topic. Average settlement amount. Are past mesothelioma settlements. Who qualifies for compensation? Cost of filing a claim. Mesothelioma lawsuit settlements and verdicts. After a diagnosis, a mesothelioma victim can take legal action to pursue financial compensation from the asbestos companies responsible for causing their illness. Filing a mesothelioma lawsuit can result in compensation through a settlement negotiated with the defendant or a verdict from a trial in court. Mesothelioma compensation can help victims of asbestos exposure. Cover the medical costs associated with the disease. Hold manufacturers of asbestos-containing products accountable for their negligence. Provide financial security for their families. As a mesothelioma law firm, Sokolov Law can help clients nationwide pursue asbestos lawsuit settlements from the companies responsible for no hourly fees or out-of-pocket costs. How much are mesothelioma settlements worth? One of the most common questions people ask during this process is, what is the average mesothelioma settlement amount? Historically, average mesothelioma lawsuit settlement amounts have been valued at $1 million to $1.4 million. While the average mesothelioma verdict is estimated to be between $5 million and $11.4 million. That said, mesothelioma case values can vary greatly. Any case can be worth more or less than the average. Are past mesothelioma settlements by state? Sokolov Law is a nationally recognized law firm with offices and a licensed attorney in almost every state. We have successfully represented clients in all 50 states. Our experienced mesothelioma attorneys have secured over $4.7 billion in compensation for patients and their loved ones across the country. A few of our many past mesothelioma settlements and verdicts include $40 million mesothelioma verdict awarded to a U.S. Navy veteran. $11.49 million awarded to a demolition worker in Florida. $10.2 million mesothelioma settlement for a U.S. Navy veteran in Washington. $9.6 million mesothelioma verdict for a California construction worker. $10.5 million mesothelioma verdict awarded to a pipe fitter. $8.26 million mesothelioma verdict for an auto mechanic in Louisiana. $7 million mesothelioma lawsuit settlement for a welder. $5.5 million mesothelioma verdict for a U.S. Navy veteran and mechanic. $6.5 million settlement for a U.S. Army veteran and oil field worker in Louisiana. $3.4 million for a laborer and U.S. Army veteran in Colorado. $6.5 million asbestos lawsuit settlement for a manual laborer. $11.12 million awarded to a mesothelioma patient in Arizona. While there's never a guarantee of compensation in any case, we'll fight hard to get you everything you're entitled to. Maximizing mesothelioma settlement amounts. You may wonder how to maximize an asbestos-related cancer or mesothelioma lawsuit settlement. As our founder Jim Sokolov said, you have to do a thorough investigation. At Sokolov Law, that's exactly what we've been doing for people with mesothelioma since 1979, securing life-changing amounts of financial compensation. Mesothelioma settlement amounts are discussed by Jim Sokolov, founder and chairman, and Ricky LeBlanc, Managing Attorney at Sokolov Law. View transcript. Who qualifies for asbestos lawsuit settlements? You may be eligible to pursue asbestos or mesothelioma lawsuit settlements if you were diagnosed with mesothelioma or another asbestos-related disease, are the spouse, child, or immediate relative of the mesothelioma victim, represent the estate of the mesothelioma victim. Not quite sure whether this means you? During a free, no-obligation case review, we can help determine if you are eligible to pursue asbestos lawsuit settlements. Mesothelioma settlements after the death of a loved one. Even if your loved one has already passed away, Sokolov Law may still be able to help you pursue compensation on their behalf in the form of a mesothelioma wrongful death settlement. We've helped thousands of families recover mesothelioma settlements after the death of their loved one. Our past mesothelioma wrongful death settlements. A few of our many past mesothelioma wrongful death settlements and verdicts include $9.3 million for the family of a U.S. Navy veteran in Massachusetts, $4 million for the family of a boiler worker in California, $5.2 million for the family of a mechanic and forklift operator in Nevada, $3.64 million for the family of a woman with mesothelioma in Hawaii, $3 million for the family of a U.S. Army veteran and union electrician. See if we can help with your asbestos claim after death. Now call 512-7613 for a free case review. How to seek mesothelioma settlements. For many clients, pursuing a mesothelioma settlement is instrumental in paying for treatment and holding the asbestos-related companies accountable. At Sokolov Law, our team can handle every step of the legal process for you, so you can focus on your health and family. Pursuing a mesothelioma settlement involves your legal team reviewing your case to determine your eligibility to take action, gathering medical records, testimonies, and evidence to prove your exposure history, filing your mesothelioma lawsuit in the state that could provide the most money, negotiating mesothelioma settlement amounts with the defendant, pursuing a verdict in a court trial if your case doesn't settle. In addition to mesothelioma settlements, many clients also qualify for compensation from the estimated $30 billion in asbestos trust funds. Our attorneys can help you file trust fund claims from the comfort of your own home. At Sokolov Law, we can pursue money from all of the sources available in your case, including mesothelioma lawsuits, trust fund claims, and VA benefits.